Morning guys, April 15, 2022. This one here I got a call from a lady. She's got a oil boiler and erratic hot water coming out of it. It's an old Tankless, right? So she gets hot water, then no hot water, then a little bit, and then nothing. And so we're gonna go over there and see if we can do something. Usually what I like to do when a system's really old like that is I put a shut off on a tempering valve on the water going into it. Shut that part off so you're able to, you know, regulate whatever goes through the coil, because it's probably all limed up. That's usually what I do. I don't want to start putting any kind of Alright guys, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Hopefully I can fix it for her. She's talking about a new boiler, but it's going to cost us some money for a new boiler. Usually I tell the people when the boilers start leaking, they're going to need to go. We'll take a look at it. It's not leaking, she said, so we'll see. Took this tempering valve out of here. I don't have one. The one I have, the new one I have is different. So I cut it out and I'm going to put a ball valve under it. Added a couple of pieces here. This, I just have to solder that up. And that should take care of the lady's issue. She wasn't getting hot water before. Hopefully I can solder this up without not too much difficulty. I need some more solder out of the truck too. this drain's still open here, so it's not building pressure. That should take care of it. Hopefully I got no leaks. If I do, we'll just drain it down and fix them. No big deal. We did try to adjust it with what I had here, but it wasn't having it. It wasn't having it. Brand new tempering valve, and I can shut the cold water off if I need to. Then that should give it plenty of hot water upstairs. We'll be able to adjust it as we need it. Let's see if we got any leaks. Don't look like any leaks there. We'll have it turn it on and we'll check it now. I could adjust the flow down if I had to here with the flow control if I had to. That's the cold water going in. But I shouldn't have to. Maybe. We'll see. Let's see what happens now. I'll turn on the tub all the way on hot and see what we can do here. I got the setting at 170 on the low. Ooh, that's nice right there. I'm putting my hand on it and I'm adjusting it here. Alright, well, I'm showing you how to adjust it here. Come here and I'll show you.
And now it's warm again, just warm.
So I got this thing opened all the way.
Okay.
I got it off there. And then I can adjust it here and I'll feel that going up. That's going to be warm.
Okay.
That's going to be nice and hot.
Alright.
Now, if you shut this off,
yeah,
you have to reset it.
Okay.
This is the cold water, shutting it off.
Oh. So, there won't be any cold?
Go turn the shower on and see what you get for shower.
Okay.
And see what you're getting for flow. I mean, the flow is going to be less, obviously. Try the shower. Using this as a flow control. She's getting nice hot water now. I mean, she'll be able to take a shower. Maybe even fill her bath. I had to set it for the tub right there. I mean, it's going up hot. That's where it's going to be set for the tub. I could probably add another ball valve if I had to down there and